Hi, this video is related to a blog post that I have linked to in the show notes. If you haven't already, you should stop the video and read the blog post so you know what the video is about. Today we're talking about Dropbox. Dropbox is a service that allows you to back up your data in the cloud. In the cloud simply means backing up your data on a server that's located somewhere else in the world. Dropbox offers free services as well as paid services depending on your needs. So let's get started by downloading a copy of Dropbox and installing it on our computer. We'll visit Dropbox.com and click on the Download Dropbox link. Now, the installation on my computer is going to be a little different than yours because I'm already a member of Dropbox, but we're going to follow along. Click on Run, and as soon as your download is complete, you'll get another Run box, and click on Install. So since I already have a Dropbox account, I'm going to click I already have a Dropbox account. You, on the other hand, would select I don't have a Dropbox account. And I'm going to enter my account information. So I'm using the 2 gig free version. I'm fairly new to Dropbox and I haven't quite filled my 2 gig yet. So we'll see what happens after that. And I'm going to go with the typical install. And next, 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 and finish. So instantly I get taken to my new Dropbox folder, and your folder wouldn't include this utilities or this ITRSX folder. Those are folders that I already have been using. Yours would include photos and public. I'm going to go ahead and close that for now, and I'm going to close the Dropbox website. So from here you'll notice that you got a new Dropbox icon on your desktop as well as a Dropbox icon in your system tray. I'm going to right click on the icon in the tray and I'm going to click on Launch Dropbox Website, and I instantly get taken to a website that gives me access to all of my files. I can come to this website even if I'm not on my own computer. I can go to any computer with an internet connection and get to my files on Dropbox. So from here I can upload files into my Dropbox. Click on Upload, click on Choose Files, and I can pick anything. There's a picture, and I can start the upload. So when the upload is complete, and I'm watching this little progress bar up here, when the upload is complete, there's my file. I can select the file to open it. I can hit this little drop down and give me more options. I can move the file, rename the file, copy it, delete it. I can also create new folders. So we'll create a new folder, call it temporary. And in my temporary folder I can move the document that I just uploaded, or the picture actually that I just uploaded. Move that into my new folder. I can share this folder, which if you share a folder with someone and they actually sign up on Dropbox, it actually gets you some bonus points. So sharing folders is a good thing. Bonus points means extra storage space on Dropbox. So if I wanted to share a folder, say I want to share my temp folder here, I could hover over the temp folder, hit the drop down and click on Invite to Folder. And this allows me to enter the email address of whoever I want to share the folder with. So I would type in that person's email address here and click on Share Folder. And that would send an email to the person letting them know that you have shared a folder on Dropbox with them. Cool thing about sharing a folder is if someone else signs up for Dropbox, you get an extra 250 meg of storage. Another way to share a folder, if I haven't already created the folder I want to share, I can click on Shared Folder right here. And I can give it a new name, shared folder, or I can choose an existing folder. Next, and here again enter the email address of the person or people that I want to share with. I could also send a message saying something like, hey, here's that folder I was going to share with you. I'll click cancel because I don't actually want to share the folder. And up here we also have a sharing tab. And we can see that I have shared a folder. This folder is called ITRSX, and I've shared it with a friend named Tyrone. So I can manage this folder. I can invite others. I can see who members of the folder are, which is me and Tyrone. I can delete the folder. I can do many things. Under events, I can see all the things that I have done. For example, adding files, moved a file. That was the file that we uploaded there. There's a folder that we created. And over here, we can see this ITRSX shared folder. And I can see actually what has happened on that folder. So if I share a folder with someone, I can see that they actually joined the folder. I can see if they've made changes, deleted, saved anything or anything like that. Another thing I can do is I could select my temp folder again, and I could download that folder to my desktop. Say I'm on a different computer and I want to save the contents of that folder onto the computer that I'm at. I can also rename the folder and rename. Can also move the folder. I can move the folder just by dragging and dropping it, or I can select move and I can add it, say, maybe underneath utilities. So now my new temp folder is actually located under utilities. So let's move it back into the root. And when we go up a parent folder, we see our new temp folder here. So that's all fine, but who really wants to do file management on a website? So what we're going to do, we're going to minimize this, and we're going to create a WordPad document. And let's go ahead and save this. We're going to save it right into our Dropbox. It's called document.rtf, that's fine. So we click on save. We'll minimize that. We'll go back out to our internet connection and we will refresh the screen, which I'm sure there's a refresh button somewhere, but we'll refresh and instantly there's document.rtf. We saved it into our Dropbox folder and Dropbox instantly uploaded it to the internet, so it is secure. We know it's uploaded to the internet when we get the little green check mark. So let's delete this file. And let's go back to WordPad. Let's save it again in the same place. And minimize it, and we see instantly it's uploaded to the internet. It's safe, secure, and even if it gets deleted off from your computer, it's still available on Dropbox. So let's say that it gets deleted off from your computer right out of the Dropbox. Go back to Dropbox, and we can say show deleted files. And right there is a copy of the file that I just deleted 22 seconds ago. I can see files that I've deleted hours ago, minutes ago, and I can restore any of these files or folders. Lastly, about Dropbox is we have a getting started, and when you first sign up for Dropbox, it'll take you through all this. It skipped it for me because I had already completed all these things. There is a help section if you're looking for more information about Dropbox or how they handle security and all those things. Your account, where it tells you how much of your Dropbox is actually used up. Account settings, all of your preferences and information. This is a list of all the computers that you have connected to Dropbox with. Your referral status is who you've referred to the website. And so this one, Tyrone, my friend, got updated, or he actually signed up. So he got updated, completed status, and that got me some extra storage space on Dropbox for free. You don't get the storage space unless you actually invite someone, so I won't get a bunch of new storage space if you sign up by watching this video, but that's okay. A great option is to upgrade to the 50 gig or 100 gig at a very low price of $9.99 per month or $19.99 per month. And I will state that I am not a Dropbox employee. I'm just a fan of what I consider a very cool piece of software. So I do not have to be on the internet at all to access my Dropbox, and I just want to make sure that that part is clear. My internet connection is closed. Here is my Dropbox. I don't really even need to be connected to any network. I can be on a standalone computer, and once I make changes here and then I reconnect to the network, Dropbox will automatically update all of my data out on the cloud with any changes that I've made. So thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed.